So I here coming from Hyderabad representing this Filecoin Orbit. Uh, so Filecoin Orbit is a community program. So in simple, I'll I'll make you understand what Filecoin Orbit does. So it allows you to join us in spreading word across about the Filecoin technologies. So about IPFS, FVM, through the workshops, educational programs, and hackathons as well. This initiative has been started since in 2022, and right now it's spread across 40 plus countries. Myself, my experience with Filecoin Orbit, it's been 2 years since I'm traveling with Filecoin and also organizing workshops, hackathons with the universities, which also includes triple ITs, IITs, and NITs. So recently, I have been to IIT Madras. We have done a workshop along with a hackathon over there, and the main objective of this Filecoin Orbit is to drive, engage the community, and onboard the local communities, help them with their journey, with their building journey. And we also have the bounties, we also have the funding for a few of the projects, the selective projects from Filecoin Foundation. So if you people are interested, I think we are all open. Let me show you the slide. Yeah, so this is the Discord. You can join here, ping me there. I'm also available over there. I'll help you guide through the process. So this is all open for everyone who is interested to participate and also spread the word across about the Filecoin technologies. Thank you so much.